Hey guys, we're here with the Subi today, and this weekend I went up to the coast and hitting some windy roads and under acceleration started to feel a vibration, and that's really not good. So I got underneath there, kind of fell around, couldn't really tell anything. Got home from the trip, jacked her up, CV boot is ripped. So here we are today. Let's jack her up and get her going. All right, so got her all jacked up, we're ready to go. Let's rip these wheels off. Got you guys all zoomed in here, and just wanted to come across this real quick. The adjustment bolt for your camber, and make sure you make a mark on that prior to moving it, and so that way you keep your alignment. I'm thinking about going and getting a four-wheel alignment after this anyway, so I'll let you guys know. Now, lucky for me, same size as my lug nut bolt, so let's pull it off. I'm gonna need a 3/4. All right, got that wrench now, perfect. And as you can see, this is gonna be the flat side and this is the lobe side. So as you rotate that around, you'll see that it'll change the position of that shock. No problem. Should have enough play in all these lines and stuff to get her out. So I had to go and get some backup. This little baby hammer couldn't do it. So we got this big old punch and a BFH. Let's do this. Whew, and she's out. So instead of struggling to get this thing off, what I'm gonna end up doing is just pulling this tie rod end bolt off, pull it down, should just come right out. And there she is. Oh yeah. Toast. Let's go get the other one and slip her in. At this point, I definitely want to check them, just kind of make sure they look similar. If you really want to be cautious, go ahead and count the splines on the end here, and then you can do the same on this side, but everything to me looks great. And pull this nut off here, and we'll get to it. So I actually decided to flip it around, slid the back end in first, give it a few taps. It slides right on in. Now we'll get this front piece in. Shouldn't be a big deal, but I've been saying that. Just like that. Get the splice, the line up. Yep. Get all our bolts in there. Slip the other one in. Ooh, it's not even close. Push on the top so that way it tilts the back out. Slide it in, nice. Coming together here. Slip the tie rod end in, just like that. Get your nut. Perfect. Same thing with this one. Should just be able to tighten her up. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Tighten this top one down. I'll torque all these after. For right now, getting all together. Now we're gonna line up this back bolt to our mark. There she is. Get her socket on there. Same thing on the bottom. Make sure you didn't bend your heat shield up too much. Perfect. Now, let's do some torquing. Down. Okay, so let's torque everything down. Like I said, these are about 80 foot-pounds. I like to go in that cross pattern so that way I don't end up with any problems, maybe bending a rim or something. All right, that's that one. So, as you can tell, I don't have my center cap on yet, and that's because I haven't torqued down that center nut. So let's get to that now. One last click just to be sure. All right, now don't forget, you do need to punch in that little corner. And I'm gonna try my best not to mess up my wheel here. No problem. So, I got her all back together, took her for a little test drive, and man, she feels great. I kind of feel like that's been a lingering issue for a long time now, but if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.